around where
We have a couple great displays on some of our fencing options that we can do. So walking over here, we've got your basic standard aluminum railing, lots of different options. Some HOAs are requiring this. So a lot of different things you can do with this. We do offer that. We also go with your good old vinyl. It's going to be long lasting, going to hold up to UV and retain its color over a long time. My personal favorite is our custom wood fencing. So cap rails, front rails, shadow box, board on board. We can talk about a lot of different ways we can do it, but this is just regular pressure treated pine that we've stained. A lot of different, color options when you move into that stain world. So this is great. We can also put these great little niche lights into the wood. So at nighttime you can kind of illuminate an area. This is one light. It's very bright. We're in a bright lit room and you can still see it. So that's very impressive and, great option there. And on the other side, past our water feature, we can even do an example of some railing, your steel cable. This is really popular out by the ocean. It's not going to corrode. This is all stainless steel hardware, and this will last for years and years. So a lot of great custom fence options here at Rockaway.